Welcome to my CyberTech-VB channel. Today I will show you 10 quick and easy tips for best internet searches. Search engine tips can refine your search results and make your browsing more efficient. Here are some advanced search tips that you can use with most search engines. Tip number 1. Quotation marks. Use quotation marks to search for an exact phrase. For example, climate change effects will only show you results where those words appear together in that order. Tip number 2. Minus sign. Exclude specific words from your search. For example, searching for apple minus fruit will show you results about Apple Corporation while excluding references to the fruit. Tip number 3. Site search. Limit your search to a specific website or domain. For example, technology site wired.com will show you results only from Wired's website. Tip number 4. Wildcard. Use an asterisk as a placeholder for unknown or variable words. For instance, the asterisks of the rings will show you results for various phrases like Lord, fellowship, or return. Tip number 5. File type. Narrow down results to specific file types. For example, polar bears file type PDF will display PDF files about polar bears. Tip number 6. Related search. Find websites similar to a specific internet address URL. For instance, related:nytimes.com will show you sites similar to the site of the New York Times. Tip number 7. Define. Get quick definitions of words or phrases. For example, define: internet will provide the definition of the word internet. Tip number 8. Time-based search. Use tools to filter search results by time. In Google, for example, under Tools, you can select Custom Time Range for more recent or historical information. For example, past hour, past week, past month, etc. Tip number 9. Calculator and conversions. Use search engines as calculator or converters. For example, typing a math problem or a unit conversion directly into the search field will provide an instant answer. Tip number 10. Location-based searches. Include a location or use near me to get local results. For example, best pizza near me or weather in Toronto. Those were the 10 advanced search tips that I have for you today. Experimenting with these search techniques can refine your results and save you time by finding exactly what you need more efficiently. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, click on the subscribe and like buttons. Thank you for watching and have a nice and pleasant day.